In this tutorial, we are going to teach you how to make a favicon icon for your blogs or for your site. If you are not familiar with the favicon icon, this is what I really mean. A thin image left beside of the title tag, that's the favicon icon. Okay. So Favicon icon is the image shown inside the browser's locations bar and bookmark. So you go back here, and when you check your bookmark, okay, you can see the different Favicon icons on different websites. So the requirements, or it must be 16. The size of the favicon is 16 by 16 pixels. And the format supported for that is you can render your favicon image as a GIF, JPEG, PNG, and BMP. And in this tutorial, we're going to render our file as a PNG format, because in PNG you can render a transparency, and the size, the maximum file size, it must be not more than 150 KB. So in this tutorial, we are going to use a flash cs5. This is only a portable one, because for tutorials purposes only. Right beside here is our properties inspector and the tool selection tool on the left corner. Okay, so in this lesson, we're not going to discuss the flash, but we're going to jump to how to make a favicon image. Okay, assuming that we have a business name, Sweet Candy Shop. Okay, creating a favicon icon it must be just a simple image. Going to open a new layer, and I'm going to select the rectangular tool. And going to give it rectangular options here, and the size, it must be equal 165 by 165. Then I'm going to break this apart. Okay, remove the outlines, and this is not a actual color, right? So this is only a temporary color. So for this maybe I should make a simple text S. I'm going to give it a size. You can change the size on your properties inspector, but also if you want to change the size of it, you can press the letter Q and you have to transform it, or you can hold the shift key and you can adjust it, or you want to deform it, you can deform it. Another family font style, because this is so formal, so I want to give it something cool. So simple. Let's make this one. Okay, maybe to grab this one. I'm going to place it inside the my rectangular object, and right, I'm going to place it here, and so remember that we break apart already this one, our rectangular tool, our rectangular object, and also we have to break apart the letter S, so in order the two objects merge. Okay, I'm going to Control B, break it apart. I'm going to give it a light blue, right? light blue, and this one I'm going to adapt the color orange. Color orange. Good. Maybe lighter one. Adjust the color to much lighter. Okay. Now we've done on our Favicon image. We can group this by hold control and press letter G. Okay, so for this one you don't have to make it as a symbol or a graphic symbol, movie clip symbol, or a button, because the purpose of these tutorials is just to render this as a PNG image. The size of our Favicon image is 165 by 165, but we have to render this 16 by 16 pixels. Okay, so go back to our Favicon image. We are now ready to render this. Okay, click the Favicon image, then lock this layer. Then now I'm going to give it a 16 by 16. Okay, now that we have the Favicon icon, we're going to adjust the canvas of 20 pixels by 20 pixels. If you don't want to adjust the canvas, it's okay. Okay, I'm going to place it here. So now we go to File, Export Image. I'm going to save it for the Favicon tutorials PNG. Yes, on the desktop. Okay, save. And a dialog box. Okay, you have to check the underlays because it will render a transparency of the image. Then press OK. So now we're going to check the Favicon image that we did. Going to check the size. So the size of our Favicon image icon is 4 KB. Okay. On the next tutorials, we're going to show you how to upload the Favicon image icon to your blogs. Thank you very much.